Okay, yeah, sure. I'm more cover live over GH Live Studios, Kizito Sports. You know, channels are a day the money ma a boom from pantentem. So, and I'll pay Yatana say a dear not Tuesday, January 27th, 2026, the year of our Lord. Yadin Chia Shun Queen Moham, Eddie Mao Ye Papa, na Yadi Agudi Sem dear, a Sefatati. Ene de ese kaka e ho na boa e ma puntu wie peye no ye de e ma poke kra kwan so na bibia etimi etwa e de egu e on this edition ye be wurem na ye de nsem kakra ama e ho Kotoko ne has nyina wo game ebo ansana the classical no atodwa e Kumasi couple of weeks time but still two teams na share adwuma se a enya ketwa this time around has a phone any abre but crop yama poma metema sante Kotoko de oso yidi esi nani so ansana watwa de da so nti Kotoko ne Lions no e ho update ebeba ansana hat folk de no so ato nyame de adoma training ho common so ebeto dwa na training Tuesday ebeto dwa kama na bibia timi atumpon this and many more and I dey bro but enkoma kase ba ko wa ha and I see the sum was Asante Kotoko supporters. Asante Kotoko supporters. And I bet some tricks are Muamatna ho ama adiebi e kwa cho. Tie da session ye. Tricks bi ankrofobi dia trickemo ama ene Muamatna ho mama depa bi e kwa cho. Asante Kotoko supporters. And I don't pay you be so na yes say truth. Tuyankasi ya hona bibia timi ewie pay live update ahodo ekate across edini nyina no ma ewom edie na Asante Kotoko fans esa mote prompt we ya memo enena menhia mpotamo memo ewram ewa Asante Kotoko management memo no yebebie memo no mo amamo mo Asante Kotoko supporters ene momo nkomo ene eba bedi after stories ni nyina no mo de aduro enti mumie masum na muntie na bibia entimi cause we did Derek Saint Kizito. Okay, yana see na yanko yanim tentem so na bibia enwie pay live. Ewo yen frikesim unsubscribe ya modern subscriber but just say catch them young Asante Kotoko circles leaders me from circles forget about the global or whatever the case may be a for ura chairman of Usuari Odano no we are listening leader and I know that and I had to focus for ebabe tuja esha see best last week more and a couple of weeks ago mo sha see honestly has esha see and omochetin kwadan kakra kom bomo edi omoba stadium motu this catch them young and absolutely it was yielding positive results and I'm sorry so my channel yabe can be edi kansa Asante Kotoko circles leadership oro fusuare no small sorry namunye enye wake up call mamo absolutely your last game boy baba ya sports stadium mo edi see oyo edi nkwadani be pm onuma Moma we 9-day wonder na say bia it's just more here because Crawford ye bi no moma yento so na yenya ne sa na yantete nkwada supporters no yes na emwa team no enwie pe na memo ne be so ewo ha show we so no with regards to Kotoko fans ade bia ekoso no ye be mama hu na afi ni nyina no ya toa so nti we dey by day of say abasbo na ye de ema oro fosuare say otie ye kan no oyo super yanko ya nimana Asante Kotoko beto so not training atimia to go ahead of Bobokwa your front say hat to flyer ye de omo e date ebo Ghana Premier League demo Kotoko management atenase adwen ho ba ko mienu miensa technical meeting so atimi abawie kama ne nyina mo Kotoko ebo game bia wi the next game eda na nim no and also the next day na eto a no Kotoko shiamu technical meeting kama adwendwen se ne be na be boa ama bibia no atimi atumpon ewo mo this time around omo ye na sede kama mpanyufo do ko pie mu nyina no 3-0 de massive but common kitten kakra we try eso mu die no mo boa na improvement ewie pay no wo mo edidi afen so eso mo twe mo kon ehwe other Premier League teams eso mo twe mo kon na omo hwe wo match sim enya ne bone so na mo eso mo twe mo kon ehwe result awodo so na be na no be favor wo mo say 8 points and na say gap kese na Bobo Comedian Sporting Club ebiemu de na so Kotoko ai meeting upon meeting series wo mo ehopi se enei wo mbeboa na afi points na yesa so tie na ewie pema sante be matimi dasra wo mo etumi eda wo mo di nkomo so fa MTN FA Cup ho se nyame no mo do mani mienu nyina ehwe ha enam se league no etokodo na amfa most definitely ese FA Cup no wo mo timi egrabo eno so yo mo dia na o mo to aso di kopie mu ewo Confederation Cup no enchemu kakra to anti technical meeting abawiye peacefully ama bibia koso coach no update kakra about players and to make entire 20-man squad no any ade ema niam outdress so mo ye edi beef up one ahodemu ama training etum pon nyina no coach editum panyufo kakra ni ma eno technical meeting eto dwano mu nsam kakra disafata se babonte no ena yede etuja edi ama afo mudi nkomo efa Heart of Lion gamer eda yeni mebebo with the pride of Aibe efoma Heart of Lion in about best and if one night day ni no Asante Kotoko beko na fi eni omo edi atata so bibia no etimi ewie kunim die so yene Lions record there e date back edi kwetri pa every pem yede hun sansam every bro with regards to Kotoko any Lions na bibia no etimi ewie kunim die so now has the between mu kakra but empanyufo and dwell much more time and I'm say omu say ball no stages outdoor and omo kwana 3 points any here enti most definitely when we Lions Jenny free wa no matter so akomanim akodi nkomo area for heart folk there no but pressing it's still underway aniama A2 point in the training so to Johnny ebe try na fiancé training atimi rem at the vivid report every all at the amayen various reportage I would do for players ho any other na nebedi nkomo na fia Memo update biem with regards to Chadian striker on Kotoko training on the home nkomo your next episode ye be bro ni ITC nkomo say to dwa na say nyanto ye e munchi mu nyina no ye be ba betum kama nti and then make a date with our channel and I'm say yen reporter ebeka kopiemu bia your friend say that could judge precisely not training home komo any other nyina no or the ato ye nimti ye ba ne rem na fi nkomo a sefata na na esi die ene yes ye di nkomo gidigidi pa Memo na ene nampem hono yes ye bia no ema inactive for na eto so ekwa yanim enti listeners must take Anyway, dear tier, and say Asante Kotoko inti France mot na ho. Ama mutimi with all due respect. Ababaye ordinary. Kotoko enguda, Kotoko enyo ordinary da. But I say Kotoko France mot na ho ma mutim na ye ordinary. To be very sincere with you guys. Achitafu amu Kumase na mo na medwele more. Achitafu amu Ashanti region. Adai na mo trama mutim no ade asawram. Enye said ye kra. Standard de wo Ghana na yet set above from kra. Yen kano kra. Management yo mayebi. Omatimi asambo players a do bia ese munya. Yes, enya kra Ghana standard the players a Kotoko currently. I think so. I won't see any league in the top, but it's not that bad. Show me petina bench in your bimo. When you na ya niema current administration aye. Me mama hold brief. Emma won't say be a say and see. Yen you na bomb pie so bit me a league, you know. But the downgrader Asante Kotoko fans. Yeah, my team no take off form with regards to stadium attendance no. Ya mianim no kreni. Ya bibio ho. Na ya constant. E die biem na players ni here. Fine, you're not league in the top. Fair enough. But nya sa na support team. and for Manchester United you cry that's with the chiro Arsenal for any ye dia bia ha ma wo mu Carrick pagya ne kakra kre enye so still Old Trafford there be aboma Wolves for ye wo England Premier League me win they win kra na hwan dia mom omo da seal from the start of the league kopem say league ye bokoi so still there be no stadium ayema okokan near dia fa okokan inti Kotoko fans mo tena ho ama mutimi aye ordinary. This is the question I'm ibisa. E die biam na yenye. First, nipa nko stadium, but ya na ntitem to say we there zero crowd. Enyo. Administration bia ba mo ye o madom eco stadium eboa o mo kakra. Ye be kwa kira kwa fa sims mo de ba eba be wura ofa ba ewu am so de ba eba be wura mejo ya last mo ewura mo fa betmensa mo ekwa hwan biem bubo ofafo na eba ye ni nyina di ma me ha ofo pokunti mu ko stadium man no ofa your friend said Kwame Chei mu ko stadium man na penkra na owura anase owura na nanu a Mr. Kanananu a yewura ya de nyina aso ne nsa abo ne din afra ne se ono na emra ma ye Kotoko ne man no say interim say de yontimum ye nso otumfo animonyam Kotoko fans mo ma ye nso otumfo animonyam edi abiam me ye sure say nya the best cry na standard not tia ba from say twukra Kotoko version of players I want at least eye as yes here ma cohesion near my koso and near my ebefa enyan rhythm ni nyan fire etita for so play major role and to say here for that bia otumfo na nyi sika mo a edi pa na ye de abo management me kai say Kotoko time mrebi of Kwame Chei time yane Cotton Sports Garua enyenye ya recordo highest stadium eboma say big management ready omunya hunu bio na for your information abambu oba nkomo bia nananom ebie edie ene nkomo bia ekoso na bambu oba o abambu eba nti mon sorry na mon hye yewura ni monyam mom yan sorry asante Kotoko fans mom yan sorry na yen hye yewura animonyam ade na me papa ya ohene pon kasa body din afra ne sana na penkra kone koye mitimi ma me hweso ma me kakra bibia hia bia de bramenchen ha beka gu masum me de bedomo na odi ayo enti mom yam ko papa yi mo ne nyina yen ko stadium for Christ's sake edi abiem abeta mo akoy waba Kwame Poku wo ho cos boy na say opon wo ho strikers na mi boy o Kwame Poku maka ono a lot of strikers donzo team back strikers be 5 anywum enti mu de mo yen kan kura bi ncha down for pa mo yen say down for gro ekwan ya haso folk namu yi enke Kotoko na namu a Kotoko fans kamo ye sure say kan ba mani pa so akọ adidi ha Kotoko fans ena moa mo nantri kro na ye mi a mo ye sure say asosompedia haso folk enamu yi enke Kotoko na namu a kamo ba pene kamba radio presenters are that more you so mind e dia da han Kotoko ne transfer ba na to so Kotoko ne yan se kamo be de kamo omo de omo ka fa mu omo kasa conduit omo yante say without due respect omo ne vessel no mo wura mu ade Kotoko timi ko bobo ya bo drill so omo say presenter we kan am pass say mo de bia mo drill on presenters for your information say has folk pa ya Kotoko situation mu wom se sia no e Kotoko pa na wo bisa ho sa sentin ke be yede tuasika say Emma Rini now transfer ban yen left it omuntuai ka Kotoko pa kan po atwa atitafo mu betwanka bi ni ka radio presenters e betwanka bi ni kan baka sa management no sabio mesheka enkomo so ni mfaso para nya Kotoko omutimi register players has a free window man to register player and ke Kotoko amuka san kan bepene abusia momian sorry yen shire ni monyam momian ko park for Christ's sake edi abiem Udo tima dia ya ne enye. Mumien ko park yo ton kwen. Mumien ko stadium. Kotoko enye kura enwa na etim. Mumien ko park. Now this is the memo. Edi ebe mi enye. And untimi nyani nyina 100%. Sir. I'm not coming here to say we be hold brief for management about whatever me. But my question is, at the dia nkuwa. Shanano boya ye pa ne ba sekefwe. For your information, munim dia. And in the teams I can nyina me you sure say any has in the be record numbers. But if you work on me momodin. Teams na aka ni nyina hu say Kumasi de oba be bere ho kakra bia obese Kotokofo ayo because enkofo hu na omu ye dede tiatia mu no omo ma VIP for no so abetno bebre free me ofa ne bo tonton sansa for dodo I fa no a me ofa na kuta flag no etetre ye je cap no nti no sa yes sure mo me encosted you Yanso e wa mono ne ayentimi nkon virtual sea challenge no me momodin twa ne fan hye yewura ni monyam untimi no bia o management nim but at least yando na apenkra ondo akotwa odi anya hwe umpa sanso asema anya hwe umpa safuduku asema anya hwe but at least momiantu ye differences and tontuni enkamum baako momiamwa wo mu no munya Kotoko no Mumayen ko stadium for crying out loud. Mumayen ko stadium mo. At least ebebua. Oh, best number 5 for day or more. Yen kan no krancha ye ho hwe. Eno kra ba ko pa ese ye ka. Yan say. Some transfer radio presenters na enka na yenye say dia. Enye say na wonim de ntia support team. What is a Kotoko board ne? What's a Kotoko board ne? Just a radio presenter. Asha Famaka, Kazmanaka, Angela, fine. I'm just young you see a K, yeah. You almost promote, yeah. But come on, you don't need them to tell you it's a stadium answer. If you really love Kotoko, I mean, catch a secret about radio for Nibintro. Radio for Nibio. We mean you are no more human being. You come as a sports na yeah. And no, we have be real Kumasia. Minim say. Yewo ofo be bring penyufo Ibromia legend omo de omo Kotoko but most of Kumasi boys na na modem rush omo so me Kotoko journalist Kotoko be bring Kotoko fo be bre time Kotoko minim ga ba ko o time Kotoko ma de enche ensu mra bi no ye adwuma wo me mo radio station idi no ye adwuma one of the radio station na watu kwan kwa monone o tu kwan kwa monone wie na honom and all show says, say, only your time Kotoko. And so that time, not turn radio, so no, yeah, not to say there of a betterment as a time, not in the coba. Me can't say. Omo who some will say, na motie, into Munano, they are just almost beating around the bush. Let me use that word, sabi. Now, her man, short tricky be. Kumasi, yen yan, ya central for ya hoyao, ya hoyan, yensa, meaning me whom free. Sir, Memo and training na me Kotoko training grounds. Ekon say new player be aba. New player ba. I mean sure trick. So new player ba. Number report. Hello for aha no me radio 102 blah 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 blah. Hey Kotoko. Harry Maguire be o microphone aba. McTominay be o microphone aba. Hi. Striker be o microphone pa free child aba. Striker be o microphone free crow so aba. Me am first no. Me jeje ho mani anya ketua kra mani say jai and so sanyame de enyo na kofa ba no oya so enyo hu bia because enyo na breaking news no first enyo hu vice versa ekoba besi enye station ba ko na yesa ye nyina ahoya into Kotoko no ye nu ni sabe we ya no say me management we say me management inti say ye tenachiri me kan ko say enfa radio journalism ono oye na dwuma o onya ma Kotoko oye na dwuma agenda settings na oye na agenda inti Kotoko titania onim sia legacy What dear say, would be BNT for any 2 year? Na Santehene. Hey, what 214 and a day, Boba Sakakra, Baba Yara, and I have to Yani as more beyond now. Media me yam shimio. Yani as more beyond now, red stand, green stand, yellow stand, one. Huh? Whom you fear in 2 year? You retimo tones and refimu one me kaimo. Miss Shamo. Na baby a Kotoko corner the papa. Nante sa na mo tena honom emma teams ni bi ne ba ebodra mo bia nkwa ha management o mo bia nkwa management asum mo bia nkwa management asin na players ho anwan senior support Kotoko yanko stadium o ga kan bi se na abrecheba na ba TV enti dey wo do tima onko edogo Yakubu onko edogo enti abusia memo na ye send memo no ene se enye yewura na ase etu na akon na emum atiame esum ni bi enkom kakra ya tie no kurani ni nyame ani Ahenfie ni bi nti ase die nti asa bi nipa master dio mo and we so just say revival just na nanu ma ba betena say revival na we crusade ni enye abusia Kotoko nye say nete the difference between Kotoko and other clubs no your supporters to Kotoko ni daw youngsters bokra of a site ebo team no Kotoko ni daw youngsters bokra ukumasi a enipa beba apeso yes Kotoko ni suhum must be enipa beba apeso unya ne sa bank te say Kotoko ni has at least a year ne sa Kotoko Power FC nipa beba enti say e betra na aduana nom ene betwem ye from say bekum Chelsea for na be fa draw sa akọ unse ba sike first half na mu ya ede because to money omu no obi they don't omu fear here there is no threatening stuff bia with them tiabusia mesra mo mu ye fear no ntu yewura da manti yes shamo mu enko stadium next time your home game mu enko o de okay won so fa wadwen to comment section e dia na management enya ye be ko stadium me de mpese mi because it's attackers na enya number 1 kranya Ramadan attackers cry e Ghana de yo nti ubetim the house attackers ya to Kotoko attackers nti ko house amani o munam mi pa se yetinya bie transfer window won say radio ni bia nka ho asem sa I across so folk nti mutimi ntwasika we ama coach na asumdwe ma na yan left am ba no won say radio ni bi e prompt to you no radio person na e kan ho asem but assuming without admitting say Kotoko nka obehu because mo assume ye de na assume ye de Kotoko titafo ye nye na gini free radio for no radio for no say ayi kra say present here wa ayi say master omudo mu ye omadwumo omudo mu afe no ombetu Pep Guardiola fo we answer no atiasi ma ba be yo local no they don't care o ye na dwuma you can 14 ti mo me ma ye team ni nya akono na afe o ma nkasa ntumrika media kire meshramo mumye nya de fefe ni bi mana na apenkra the real lions na ne house na dia mumye nko stadium mumye nko fili na na apenkra onu ankasa ngu say yes yakra na apenkra be ma na ho so da wo because ya dia cause the way na mu see ai ya ma na apenkra ho so maybe Dr. Kwame Chena ho so ha na papa tons na ba o hwe nipa na esumu a no so Kotoko ni Cotton Sports Garua urade na pinkroba ne ho so da Kotoko fans no krom say ye ya da ne ankre hunu nti mo me nya ni enkonsu ngu ankre no henceforth mo me enko stadium it was exclusive be na ye ho ahi nti kura na ma exclusive na ama with all due respect ye ho ahi me nyi me ho mfiri mo ye ka ho bi management enya kura ye ka omoyo ye kan sa ho Brasiana na apenkra de mai You must to be a lawyer to Danny are fine, but a yen like a hobby. Oh, a year. But shall a napping crown brass here or some poor there's some year. When yen cheer any yam. And I'm a see about the rule, just see any force or not. Mean, tells you. Your hand had any abandoned force, you ever my tank as if when you have a move. You be refining a charge because crony or two for the hour. One say ye, you ever my cancel for them. Se Kotoko has a dear and you rely on no panny nipa master dum dia and you ever bought the uru bebem. Said you try like be no tabin, you bet you Kotoko bill. No crow umpa no. Se mam ya shasi and stadium. And when you're not as Antomo has no Kotoko, if you know, se Kotoko has an mama hands for the Ancosudia, and you ever petition Nanano. Yen said Nananum be petition, Nananum Emo reading as Antiman Council. Yet the petition beko ese kumasi fear asantiment fear bia etua Kotoko bill and yet the beba no cry back up and test a final cross your lusu akwano tum kwano pado ya bot dry ye din ye koma Kotoko because obia so push trog na e megran kasa da na trog no tie adwo trog esi ho ehia push for obia so push a and me complaints that time no I atia na say trog no stia na tia because we so men found enti wo de emunya botre say mo enti ye be petition menhia ha de Kotoko fans dey na say be re adai dey na say mo ya matimi ya manada ni ordinary team and now no draft na ash gold 04 Sidu Park eni pe kwa ekra na do say Kotoko ne ba seke Jesus Christ. I didn't see management. We did ADC. And now you're casting be Mr. Awa Mohammed no Kesman. Munusuno. Monfanin co various on portals no radio station. Now money promo game, no premier. I won't pack a crown to Jamano. Why? We the mummy nusuno. Make kind jeff for no man female. Indeed. We the mummy nusuno quick. Why? Na o kambo na wetu appetite menti yakoma hu ma be numa awanti almost any age Kotoko ho ene ba second me hu mo VIP o chimeshira mo mi anyusu o but ye hwe ne ma hwe ne hwe dia if you na Kotoko say obi anu a say bodo ya anko stadium bi mu dia ene ye bodo ye lusu a obi antimi complain o no cry ba kope no cry e ba kope yen ko say strikers be nsia ma team ba ko strikers 6 na ebo na so nko stadium ko mo edge dia eni elusu ametena me na for na meri bia o we ya na akwa teta ho o ko Carrick ho o ko Chelsea for no so sa dia no akọ complain o me di usi mesaba and mo exclusive bebre e de ma e ba be so mo na afi ne ma akoso na say to team e na ye so no ma no fo mo afa che me yi wi mu e na ye nyina ye hwehwe